gonna vlog, but went to pick up some coffee with Jackie, and we usually sit there and we talk with her. Oh, by the way, Bert's here. She was like, you guys aren't gonna stay today, because we literally just got our coffee and we're like, okay, thanks, bye. And she's like, you're not gonna stay and talk? And we're like, no, we're barely going to Laredo. By the way, it is Wednesday, December 17th, and it's 9 in the morning because we're gonna go do some Christmas shopping, but it's mostly like birthday shopping, not Christmas shopping, because Grecia's birthday is 2 days after Christmas, but we're celebrating her birthday this weekend. We want to go get her like a little, she wants a basket, so we're gonna try to make her like something. Yeah, last year we made her a basket also, and she's like, make sure to vlog, and I was like, dude, out of all days. But I got a dulce de leche iced coffee. Bert gets, what was yours? Caramel?
Caramelo malcriado.
Un caramelo malcriado is what Bert gets. Oh, it's like a little one.
It's only 120 bucks.
This is cute.
Depending on the feng shui she wants in her room.
I know. I wanted to get this chair, but it's cheaper on Amazon. Look at this plate. So cute.
Look for the butter.
I know, I saw.
It's glass.
Yeah. Ooh, look at what I found, you guys. This big ass one.
$5.49.
But it's a big one. And they have this one too.
That's a kitchen.
Yeah, but I don't know this brand. I didn't think they'd have this brand here. Now we're gonna go to Sephora. Camera guy failed. He didn't record anything. Okay, we didn't get nothing at Sephora, but we came to have lunch at Tacos Kisi. Okay, so we went to Walmart, but I didn't record because we got some things that Grecia cannot see. And then we stopped at Walgreens to pick up her birthday invitations that I printed out there. And now we're in line at 7 Brew to pick up a coffee and go home. We'll wrap up a couple things and then we're just gonna chill. Okay guys,
we're doing a gift exchange.
I just got home from dropping off my nephew. He was here again and we ordered pizza. We dropped him off with his slices of pizza, and
Guys,
we got home
look at my outfit. I'm Cindy Lou Who.
without Bert because he stayed home wrapping gifts.
A gift.
Yeah, we're each gonna open a gift. Mind you, it's not even, we're not even near Christmas, but he's insisting that we each open one gift.
Okay, let's go gift exchange.
Daddy goes first.
Yes, Daddy goes first.
Ah, don't be a party pooper.
Wait, show him. Let me mommy. Let's go, Daddy. Let's go. It's from me and mommy.
Can I use this? Es una barata, ¿no?
No.
The heck? Open this.
Excited?
Yes! Shoot! Ta-da-da!
Better not get them dirty.
You better not get them dirty.
Guys, how come theirs is so big compared to mine?
You're next.
It's like, no, you are.
No, I want to
No,
go last.
no, I want to be last.
Where'd you get this?
How can I help you on that?
Where is this, dude?
No.
Babe, how the... How did you get it?
Ta-da-da! The top box is just to throw you off.
How did you get it?
That was the one you wanted in your video.
How did you get it already?
I was gonna say that we should get mommy about things, but he beat me to it.
How did you get it already?
Show them, Mom.
How did you get it?
Sneaky.
Show them, Mommy. Show them what you got. She got the thing she wanted in her video. She's like, oh, I want it.
Babe, how did you get it?
How dare you get my Pringles? How dare you? Look what she got.
Are we gonna buy stuff to make coffees at home?
I think yours is cooler. I'm gonna open yours.
I love you guys.
What is
It's joking. It's a second leg. It's the one I wanted.
It is.
Yeah. This is the one I wanted. Thank you. Okay, guys, we opened ours, but we feel bad for her face, so she's gonna open hers. This is her little stocking. Pretty! Pretty! Look, come, Pretty!
Don't throw it at her. Get your phone, I said.
Good morning. We're gonna go to Laredo today and we're gonna bring you guys along. It is my sister's birthday. It's Friday, December 19th. And I have yet to try my coffee machine. I haven't even turned it on. I haven't done nothing. I'm waiting for certain beans that I have to go pick up probably today. I told Bert I would try to make him a coffee this afternoon. But I'm gonna finish doing this. We have to go to Marshall's. We have to go to Sephora. We have to go to Best Buy.
Wait, where are we going to Marshall's for?
Best Buy, Marshall, Sephora, the mall. I got the Santa's Cookie Blondie.
It makes this one.
What do you mean?
Because it's not.
And Bert got the regular one.
One moment, son, go the key.
Here. Literally have to go there, there, and there. I'm gonna take that one. Because first things first. I just have French vanilla, which I use that one a lot, so I can take that one. I'm getting my sister this bag because it's her birthday today. I'm getting this for my smallest niece. That's another gift for Grecia. I want this one. This is gonna be my coffee cup. This is the cart. I got my mom, my sister, one niece, nephew, and Grecia. We're at Best Buy now, and we're looking at Ring cameras for my mother-in-law. We just don't know which one to get her. This is what we're gonna end up taking her. We're gonna go back inside because my brother-in-law is going to get her the Echo 5, the Alexa, so she can also use with her Ring cameras. This one, right? Got it.
No, I say $30.
We're at Sephora now.
Hey.
Cutie. This is the perfume Grecia wanted.
This is what it costs.
Which one do you think tastes better?
It tastes better.
Yeah, vanilla or
I'm supposed to eat them.
Well, you're not supposed to, but sweet candy or berry?
I don't know. Candy. Alright,
Okay, we got her stuff. We got her the perfume that she wanted. Is actually for her birthday. It's gonna go in her birthday basket. And I got her the Laneige sleeping mask because she uses mine all the time, and I wanted to get her a water-based skincare, but my sister-in-law actually bought her a set, so I want to see what she can use from that one, because she also uses my stuff, and I have to watch her because, well, like, my stuff has stuff that she can obviously not use on her face. So depending what she can use from what Wendy got her, I'll see like what other little thing I can come get her. We also just got her these little wipes. They're moisturizing wipes. And then I got this for myself, but I don't know if I should put it in her basket. This is the one Daddy got her because Dad gets her everything. I do have to say that it smells really, really good.
Called bougie what?
Bougie marshmallow. Yum bougie marshmallow. It was $100 perfume, but today
$134.
It was $134?
Yes, it's the big one.
Yeah, it's at 3.4. Today they did have, and it was the only day that they were gonna have the 20% off, and then I had 900 and something points, so I used 500 of those, which was another $10 off. So for these 4 things we paid $160. So it's not bad. I mean, yeah, it's bad, but that's what happens when you have a girl. Imagine we would have had to have bought this times 2.
I already do.
Well, times 3. Because Lucia was probably gonna be like, I want some too. Ay, mi amor. So now we're gonna go to the mall to get Bree's gift, which she wanted makeup, but I'm gonna make her like a little basket. No, not a basket. Like, I want to find a little cute bag to put all of that in. So she'll just open a bag, and then everything else is gonna be inside it. And then I'll see what other little things I can get for Grecia there too, and some sandals actually.
Hey, we came out on anniversary.
So I have salt on my face. My chin? No? We're just finished eating. No, I don't. Oh, I still got dirty. I always get dirty. But we're gonna walk into the mall now. I forgot to vlog. But we ate, and then we went to Miss A, and we got $100 worth of stuff for Grecia and Bree. Like, the bag is freaking loaded. So this would make like a cool TikTok. Got them, but I got them this, which is the same thing, but like I bought them both the same thing. We got Grecia her other pair of Berks. Hopefully they fit her, but the girl said that we had a year to return it. But
a year?
Honestly, she's already wearing a size 7 in women's sizes because she's a very tall girl. The only person we have left to get a gift for is my suegro. So we're gonna go to Academy, see what we find for him there. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I didn't vlog anymore yesterday because it got so hectic real quick. We didn't end up getting home till about midnight, and then we didn't end up going to bed till about 2 a.m. Grecia ended up spending the night at my sister's house so that we could come home, finish wrapping everything. I didn't even show you guys everything that I got, but if you didn't see it in the vlog, I don't think I'm gonna go like into detail of what I got everybody. But for the most part, I got my mom clothes. My suegra, we got her a Ring camera set. My brother-in-law got her a little mini Alexa. Grecia and Bree, I got them a bag full of makeup from Shop Miss A. My littlest niece, I got her like a little hammer toy, wooden toy set. Our nephew, we got him 2 sets of outfits that have the sweater, the shirt, and the pants. I got my sister a purse because her birthday was yesterday. I think that's it. We got Grecia the Birkenstocks. We got her the perfume. We went to Sephora for her, and Bert also got her like this tent thing that she can like build her own forts. So he's super excited about that, but I need to make her basket, and I think I'm gonna start a whole different vlog just because I feel like this one's enough. Today's her actual birthday. It's 7:52 in the morning. I mean, it's not her birthday today. We're gonna celebrate her birthday party. Last night I fell asleep super late, so I wasn't able to bake her cake, but I'm gonna start doing that right now. But I don't have eggs, so I'm on my way to the store to get some eggs. I'm gonna get some other little things for her basket. So if you guys want to see how all of that turned out, then stay tuned, because that video is coming up next. And I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. By the time you're watching this, I'm probably back home, but we did go out of town for like a whole week, so I wasn't home to edit, which is why like these videos have been so late, but they're coming. I have that other video that I'm gonna upload of her actual party. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Hopefully she has so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos, and if you made it to the end, we love you guys, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.